Ladies and gentlemen, on a final approach now into Cork Airport, we'll ask you to give one final check your seatbelt to security fastened for landing. Thank you. Gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Cork, where the local time now is 6 minutes to 4 o'clock. For your comfort, but especially for your safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please do not switch on your mobile phones until we have left all active runways and the captain has given the appropriate signal. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you. Remember to check the overhead lockers and the seat pockets in front of you. Be careful when opening the overhead lockers in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. On behalf of the captain, David O'Looney, the first officer, Roy Dorgan and the rest of the crew today, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus. We do apologise for your late arrival into Cork. We hope it hasn't inconvenienced you too much and we do thank you for your patience. You'll always find our best deals on flights, travel insurance and car hire on our website aerlingus.com. For those of you who are travelling with young children, if you have a stroller or a buggy checked in, you can collect it in the carousel in the baggage hall. It's the oversized baggage belt number 4. Garth Mahak with a corda, free hashtag Aer Lingus A new, Slán agus Banat live Galer. Thank you and have a very safe onward journey.